Get paid $1.50 every 60 seconds just for taking screenshots on your phone. On your phone, yes. Sorry about this lighting in the background. There's the sun coming in, whatever. Anyways, but first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. Also, check out my #1 recommendation. It's the top link in the video description below. There, you're going to find a free membership, free websites, free training, and all kinds of stuff to make you a lot more money online than I'm going to show you now. But let's take a look at this anyways. So this is a website called Furpection. Kind of like perfection, but with the letters switched around a little bit. Anyways, so what you're looking at here on the screen is just going to be a simple website that you could come to, furpection.com. And basically, you're going to sign up here. You want to take a look around first, and you're going to become a tester. You're just going to go over to the right on the screen, become a tester, and they're going to give you the details here. Start earning money online. Basically, brands listen to your opinions, improve your writing proficiency, sense of observation, and earn money. You get PayPal money each month, vouchers or PayPal money, whatever. You can come here and check it out. Like I said, how does it work? Basically, you'll be exploring sites and giving feedbacks. You know, sites and applications using your smartphone or tablet. And if you have both, try both, because sometimes there's different tests for different things, and you get more options to make more money. So, and then you just make feedback. Once they review your feedback and moderates review your feedback, then you're done, and then you get make money. Let's look at it a little further down here. So, discover the testing app in this short video. You can watch this video here. You can read all about it here. So basically, you're going to be doing feedback with a screenshot of the different apps and stuff they send you, websites or whatever, and with a clear description of what you think. And you could leave positive feedback, you could leave negative feedback. It doesn't matter. It's just leaving feedback for the different things. Now, I make lots of videos about making money online with different apps like this, so please check those out as well. There's tons of them in my back catalog, hundreds of videos I make. Check those out as well. And because the more you do, the more you're going to make money with these little apps, because they don't pay a lot. You're going to make micro payments and stuff like that, $20, $30 here and there. And the more you do, the more money you're going to make. That's why I definitely recommend my #1 recommendation, the top link in the video description below, because there, it's a really good system. You build your business from the ground up. There's 1.5 million members at the time of me making this video. And there's a large community there of people that will help you out as well, answer any of your questions. You get free websites, there's free training, there's a bunch of free stuff. There is a premium account, of course, if you want to upgrade, but there's enough free stuff there to get you started and see if it's something that you definitely want to do or can do, and really get yourself going in that direction. So anyways, check out a bunch of my other videos. Like I said, check out the top link in the video description below. Subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.